It's crazy to think that just last week we were in Europe. But it's been amazing being at home in Calgary, resetting, spending time with friends and family, and recuperating our bodies after a long trip in Europe. And right now we are ready to hop on our next flight to Jamaica.
Yes, now with Jamaica, unfortunately from Calgary, we do not have any non-stop flights at this time. And that does mean layovers. Right now it's almost midnight. That's when our plane is set to leave Calgary. So join us as we head over to our stopover. We just landed in Toronto Airport for our solid 3-hour layover. We're extremely tired, but we're also very hungry. So let's go and grab some breakfast.
Thankfully, some restaurants are open this early morning, and we managed to get ourselves a classic breakfast, and boarding is in about half an hour. So we're gonna eat up and be energized for the rest of our flight.
First drink.
Welcome to Negril, Jamaica. We are so glad to be here in the tropics. It's a beautiful Caribbean morning here at the Azul Beach Resort. We checked in yesterday, had a lovely Italian meal for first dinner, and we definitely overate considering it's an all-inclusive. Jason's steak was so delicious. My salmon, the seafood linguine, was definitely on par with what we had in Italy, and we are enjoying our first morning here. We're gonna go dip in the beach. I mean, that's what you do when you get to a beach resort, right? We're gonna go enjoy the water and hop in the pool for our first day in the beautiful Negril, Jamaica.
Right now, the storm clouds are rolling in. For most people, that is devastating news. That's why if you look around, pretty much everybody has abandoned the beach. Now for us though, because we love photo and video content, the sky looks so much better to us. Like right now, it's not the most enjoyable because it is getting a little bit chilly, but hopefully we can still capture some really nice video as well as photo content.
We're eating at their Thai Asian fusion restaurant tonight. It's called Hua Hin. I love how the resort has a bunch of variety in terms of kinds of foods that you can eat. For these types of restaurants, apart from the mahogany where we have our buffet, you actually have to make a reservation. So we had to make ours earlier today, and we're so excited to be trying different types of foods while we're here for the week. Be the beach all to yourselves this morning for sunrise, apart from a couple of kittens who joined us as well. I love the fact that at any point in the day, the Caribbean water is so warm. The air is so warm, so you should really take advantage. Come out during sunrise. There's nobody here, and it's just you, the water, and the sand. Looks like they've got some sort of party going on down there. We saw them setting up tables right by the pool, and there's live music going on. There's a buffet already set up. We're really intrigued to see what's going on, so we're gonna go check it out and see if we can get ourselves a table. So this actually happens every single Wednesday. There's a buffet barbecue right by the pool. You don't need a reservation, and we were lucky to hop right in. This is at 7 p.m. every single Wednesday, and we're really glad that we're able to have a beautiful move with the live music, and we're really excited to see what the buffet has to offer. We grabbed our food and it looks so good. There's so much variety here. So many different kinds of meats ready on that barbecue, freshly made for us. But ever since we got here, I've been eyeing that dessert bar. It looks amazing. Dessert has a very special place in my heart, so I'm excited to go and check that out afterwards. But right now we are gonna enjoy and eat to our heart's content. It's already day 4 for us here at the Azul Beach Resort, and the housekeeper came and tidied our room, so we thought we would give you a bit of a room tour and show you what our Beachfront Honeymoon Suite offers. So as soon as you come in, there's a large closet here. You've got the umbrella, an ironing board, tons of hangers for closet space, and right across from it is our first bathroom. This bathroom is definitely super large. It has a massive shower, and if you're coming from the swimming pool or the beach, you can actually pop in over here and wash off, so you don't have to go all the way around to the other bathroom. I love how it opens up right into the massive and bright living room. When we order room service, this is where we like to eat. There's a lovely couch here, a place where we can have our food and also watch our Netflix shows on the big widescreen. But now onto the bedroom. All right, so here is the master bedroom. Features a lovely large king-size bed, and because we are on the top floor of the building, we actually have very high ceilings. So it really gives the space this humongous feel. And on top of that, we do have our huge TV for us to watch our Netflix on. And I love the fact that our ensuite bathroom has a his and hers sink. Definitely very spacious in here. The closet is massive, and it actually has our robes in here as well. But because we have the Beachfront Honeymoon Suite, the balcony is so magnificent, and this is where we love to catch our beachfront view. All right, this is our balcony. It's a 180-degree view of not only the beach, but the pools. And we love to come out here every sunset. We just see the colors through our window and come out here with an unobstructed view of the ocean. And it also just entices us to get outside and get right on the beach every single morning. And we love the fact that last night when the show was going on, we could actually come and see the live music right from our balcony. And right here, we like to get some work done, enjoy the ocean breeze. But the hero of our balcony is this love seat over here, where we grab a couple drinks and just enjoy our oceanfront view. Lunch at Garfield was fantastic. It was our way of trying true Jamaican food right off the beach. It felt like a local spot with the colorful picnic tables and the open barbecue and open buffet. We got to have jerk chicken, pork, Jamaican patties, tons of different spices in our rice. And after that, we rested our tummies and decided to try one of the complimentary activities that guests have at the Azul Beach Resort. So we have the boogie boarding, the stand-up paddle boards, kayaking, and even sailboats if you know how to sail. We decided to hop in a kayak, and we actually saw a starfish in the water. Apparently you can see a bunch of them. We only saw one today, but next time we'll keep our eyes peeled over the water. And right now we're just freshening up because we're gonna be hitting up the Aki restaurant, which is only open 3 times a week, and this will be our first Jamaican dinner right at the resort.
leaving in about 2 days, and somehow we just found this place, which is the West End Corner. Now, this is a great place to grab lunch because they serve a variety of burgers, hot dogs, as well as paninis. So if you guys are hungry, come over here to grab some lunch. You can even bring it with you right to that beach and enjoy it as you catch the waves.
We're leaving Jamaica this morning. It's been an amazing time at the Azul Beach Resort here in Negril. We loved our time here in the Caribbean. We loved that we got to hop in the beach so many times, do a ton of water sports, and the food was so good.
Yes, it was. Now it's time to head back to Calgary, where we're gonna be hit with a pretty brutal winter, but that's okay because quite literally in about 2 months, we're gonna head over to our next Caribbean destination.